Happy Friday, guys. Why is my camera kind of weird? I don't have a tripod, so I can't have a comfortable way to show you guys what I'm cooking. Or that I am cooking. But I might just sit it over there where my camera is, if that's a good angle. I don't know. I gotta clean up this table. It's just chaos as well. After I cut up the chicken, because that's like the messiest, most annoying part. Hello, I am back. I went to the store. I didn't film it because, honestly, when I get into Dollar Tree, because that's where I went, I get overwhelmed. Mostly because there's people. And I always get like hyper focused on what I need to find because I have people around me who, they like to distract me instantaneously and show me things that is not on my list. You know? And I already have myself to do that. And usually there won't be things that I actually, really want. Like, oh yeah, that was a good find. No, it just be like random stuff. So I just makeshifted a tripod out of another short clip. I'm going to go underneath of my sink. Bathroom sink. Let me show you. Oh, eat up. Oh, blah. So I'm pregnant and getting up is hard. Especially when I'm sitting crisscross applesauce. Miraculously made it to all standing up. Look at why underneath him. Look at this chaos. It used to be so organized because I had 2 baskets and now it's too much shit. There's too much stuff in here. So I'm going to organize it and I'm just going to show you the before and after. I'm not going to show you the whole process. I'm going to steal my daughter's chair that she uses to stand up to reach the sink. And I'm going to sit on it so I can go through all this bullcrap. But my sink is also like not necessarily not messy. I just don't put stuff away apparently. Don't mind how messy that the everything is, okay? Children are chaosing in the background with CoComelon music, so I'm gonna close my door and show you guys what I've done. I'm not completely finished yet. reasons that I'm not even sure of. Okay. Alright, this is what it looks like now. Much better. I just basically threw away some random stuff and re-put things in places that make sense. I have an area in the drawers. Like, there were just pads all over the place, so I just put them inside of here. Like, I had already put some in there, but, like, I just finished. I'm not using pads. I'm not gonna have a period for, like, a few more months, so hopefully as long as my first pregnancy. For my first pregnancy, I didn't have a period for a year. I was so happy because I could do everything that I, like, non-pregnant me could do, and I didn't have a period. Ooh, had to make sure I was pregnant again, of course, but I didn't have a period for a whole year. And then I started, like, working out more heavy because I was joining my current job, which requires a lot of physical training, and then I think that might have maybe put my body in the gear and maybe have a period. But I was working out the whole time. Maybe just, I don't know why I started my period. I think it just happened over a time as I stopped breastfeeding. I think that's what happened. Yeah. Anyway, so you see what I've done. My sink is a little better now. I just have some things that I just need to figure out whether I want to throw away or not, because, like, I have this sample for curly hair, something, I don't know what it is. I don't never like them. Baby wash shampoo. I guess this is helpful for whatever reason. And a little tiny conditioner. Why? Again, I'm not really sure why. I bought it because it was like, it looked exactly like the full size one, but tiny, and I think that's the reason I bought it. So I'm gonna go downstairs and see what's up, because they're in my room just chaos and, like, oh my gosh. I have moved everything, and not me by myself. My husband also did a lot. So let me show you what the gaming setup now looks like. I got the, oh, it's so zoomed. The entertainment center, and then the cat's food is in the very corner because it keeps the kids away from it. So yeah, that's my Xbox, and it's set up for streaming straight from the Xbox, so convenient. And then the chair, it's just covered in stuff right now because we have to get it together. Overall, I think I'm really proud of the way it's moved. This side over here is going to be under debate because there's stuff that's going to get hit by the door and stuff I'm going to move around. We have to move around. We have to clean up and move where the living room was before. And just rearrange that to a living room so that that can be like the gaming den. And then this can be like the living room. And dining room, because it was all like, kind of like the kitchen extended into like the table where the dining room was. It was just, yeah, it was 2 living rooms basically. It's a mess. This is the only side that looks presentable, so I'm gonna show you that side. The other side is a mess because we have all our stuff on the couch. I'm gonna show you anyway. So we all our stuff on the couch, and then like this is where everything was. I don't know why there's so many crumbs. I don't. There's so many sweatshirts over here. I will wash them, I swear. And headphones, yeah. So we just basically had 2 living rooms for no reason. So I'm gonna fix that basically. Also, it was way too bright in here for like any dark game. Like, it was just bright as hell. You would see everything but the game in the screen. All right, we're gonna get back to it. Back from the store. I meant to vlog, but there was way too many people in there. Like, way too many people. Let me show you what we did. So, deep freezer's over there now. Couch over there. Husband's right there. The couch is over there. The TV's against the wall. And you see the cat. Very important cat time. Yes. My husband's literally dying. I need to rearrange her cat scratching post. It's just kind of all a bunch of shit now. I have to refine everything. Like, there's just shit sitting on couches. In fact, there's like recyclable material on the ground. I finally got Kyrie something for Easter. I got Sky something a while ago because once I saw it, I was like, I know this is, I love this. Cause it's like a soccer ball and like a sports duffel bag, a little one for little girls. And I was like, I love that because I plan on putting her in sports, but not the cold sports, the sports that happen in the summer or spring, like soccer and stuff and track. So I'm like, go in your room with that. Don't you wake up your sister. In fact, I'm gonna use the bathroom downstairs because I'm not walking in that room so she can pop up and be like, "Mother, good morning." Anyway, so I finally got Kyrie one. Look at these. Oh my gosh, it's so zoomed in. Look at these very good drawings. Wow. What's up, guys? Making some muffins for some short form content. Also because muffins are good in the morning. So I'm about to make a ricotta cheese mix because my husband's making a lasagna, which is going to be so lit because it's going to last at least one more day after this. So, yeah. Makes me wonder if I should get rid of some of the other lunches I have. But I'm pretty sure tomorrow is going to be the last day we have them, so I don't think it's going to be a lunch for the whole week because everybody loves the lasagna when he makes it. So about to bake the ricotta cheese mix, which is ricotta, one egg, and then it's pizza cheese, which is like mozzarella and Parmesan mixed together, and then I think some parsley, and then have that set aside so when we start layering, it'll be ready for that. I love lasagna. I did on our Instagram, on our food Instagram, that we posted the first time we made it. So this time around, I don't know if he's going to change anything. I'll ask him once we're done. I don't know if I mentioned, but he got these new mixing bowls, and the inside of these are scratchy sounding. Like that scratchy, like nails on chalkboard. Like once you get, let me show you. You see that, like, there's like a faint line right there where it's matte on the inside. So mixing it sounds horrible. Anyway, this is a ricotta cheese mix. I'm gonna stir it till it's a little smoother. Like, it's pretty well mixed already. Might add a little bit more cheese in there. Oh, this is the cheese I meant as well. This is the cheese we use. Kraft is like a staple because it's easily accessible here. Affordable? Maybe. I don't know. I really didn't check. It's just always what we get. Alright, guys, we're about to get into this lasagna business. Yeah. Woo.
Sauce at the bottom, so we got a base.
If you want to see like the whole layering process, we have a video on our Instagram. I need to make sure that is linked at all times at the bottom. So, yeah. Alright, so to prevent the copyrighted music from coming in here as well as the little demons. So this is my normal lotion that I use every time I get out the shower. I just got a big old thing that will be easy to wipe. The Vaseline brand lotion is easy to spread across your body really quickly. And I need that in the morning. So, because I want to be not dry, but I also don't want to take a long time putting on lotion, you know? So I picked up this one. I wanted something really hydrating because it's winter. And the winter is taking my skin all the way out. All the way out. So I got this one. The cocoa one is always going to be more radiating and radiating? Jeez, I read it, sorry. Moisturizing in any brand. So I got this one instead. It's not as big as that one, but this is the biggest size that they had at the grocery store. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And my husband got, this is his normal one, but it's like basically empty to the point where you can't pump it any. Oop. Not mine. Mostly empty. So he got a men's 3-in-1 one, which I think just means it's scented and it's lotion because you can 3-in-1 anything. Why didn't you like to get in trouble? Why would you like to get in trouble? So 3-in-1 really just doesn't mean anything, but you mix either shampoo and conditioner into one product, or the lotion, because they say it's a face lotion, it's an aftershave, and it's a body lotion. I'm like, it's just lotion with a strong fragrance, I think, is basically what they did. You just mixed it all up, and it's just, I don't know. I don't like 3-in-1 products. I don't know why he grabbed it. But if it smells good, then that's a plus. Although most men's fragrances don't mix with his flavor profile for his fragrances anywhere, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work. Anyway, I just did laundry, put away lots of clothes. I mean, my closet looks really big, but it's not that big. This is It's not the first walk-in closet. I mean, I could just walk in it. It's not like a big fancy walk-in closet where you have like shelves and stuff. I mean, I technically have shelves. I put my workout gear here. I bought socks. Don't worry about that. Yeah. So it's like it's got shelves. This is not like a nice walk-in store type thing. I don't know why my daughter's just being so mischievous. Like, I didn't close the door for a reason. Like, close the door. Don't lock your sister out. Don't have kids. I'll show you guys, but I took a picture. Lasagna looked bomb. The first piece is the only piece that cut really good, and then this one, and then this is my mom's plate. This is mine. Ma! And he made biscuits. Look how flaky it is by how he's flaking it apart. It cooled a little bit, but yeah.
Not really. I put it back in the oven. Just the oven was off.
I don't know what's going on anymore.
Top around a little bit more.
Thoroughly confused, I guess. I don't know. I don't know.
Yes, Scott. Don't you make